Gerund nouns are verbs with ing added to the end, and they act as nouns. They are used to name activities or actions. Gerund noun. Example sentence. Swimming. Swimming in the ocean is refreshing. Running. Running every morning boosts my energy. Dancing. Dancing to music is a great way to exercise. Singing. Singing in the shower is my favorite pastime. Reading. Reading a good book relaxes my mind. Writing. Writing stories is my passion. Cooking. Cooking for my family is rewarding. Drawing. Drawing portraits requires skill. Painting. Painting landscapes is a peaceful activity. Fishing. Fishing at the lake is so calming. Hiking. Hiking up the mountain is challenging but fun. Gardening. Gardening helps me connect with nature. Cycling. Cycling through the park clears my head. Jogging. Jogging helps me stay fit. Skating. Skating on ice requires balance. Surfing. Surfing the waves is thrilling. Shopping. Shopping for clothes can be exhausting. Traveling. Traveling to new places expands your horizons. Camping. Camping under the stars is magical. Exercising. Exercising daily keeps you healthy. Studying. Studying for exams takes discipline. Practicing. Practicing the piano improves my skills. Knitting. Knitting scarves is relaxing. Cleaning. Cleaning the house feels satisfying afterward. Organizing. Organizing files saves time later. Baking. Baking cookies fills the house with a lovely aroma. Hosting. Hosting parties is a lot of fun. Chatting. Chatting with friends lifts my mood. Climbing. Climbing trees was my childhood favorite. Relaxing. Relaxing on the beach is my idea of a perfect day. Meditating. Meditating reduces stress. Volunteering. Volunteering at shelters is fulfilling. Watching. Watching movies is a great way to unwind. Listening. Listening to music soothes my soul. Talking. Talking to strangers can lead to new friendships. Driving. Driving at night feels peaceful. Sailing. Sailing in the open sea is an adventure. Exploring. Exploring caves is fascinating. Diving. Diving into the water is exhilarating. Skiing. Skiing down slopes is pure adrenaline. Snowboarding. Snowboarding requires focus and balance. Playing. Playing video games is my favorite pastime. Sewing. Sewing dresses takes precision. Teaching. Teaching kids is a rewarding career. Learning. Learning new languages broadens your perspective. Watching. Watching sunsets makes me happy. Collecting. Collecting stamps is a unique hobby. Designing. Designing buildings takes creativity. Performing. Performing on stage gives me a thrill. Exercising. Exercising regularly builds strength. Joking. Joking with friends keeps the mood light. Laughing. Laughing at jokes is contagious. Planning. Planning vacations is exciting. Reporting. Reporting the news requires accuracy. Documenting. Documenting events preserves memories. Caring. Caring for pets is a big responsibility. Sharing. Sharing ideas leads to innovation. Borrowing. Borrowing books from the library saves money. Lending. Lending a hand makes someone's day better. Decorating. Decorating the house for holidays is fun. Celebrating. Celebrating birthdays brings joy to everyone. Fixing. Fixing broken toys teaches patience. Delivering. Delivering speeches can be nerve-wracking. Repairing. Repairing cars requires technical knowledge. Building. Building sandcastles is a beach activity I love. Attending. Attending meetings improves teamwork. Improving. Improving skills takes time and effort. Remembering. Remembering names is not my strong suit. Observing. Observing wildlife requires patience. Managing. Managing time efficiently is a useful skill. Inventing. Inventing gadgets takes imagination. Composing. Composing music is a form of expression. Advising. Advising others is a sign of wisdom. Acting. Acting in plays is both fun and challenging. Hosting. Hosting dinners helps me meet new people. Exercise. Identify the gerund nouns. Read the sentences below and identify the gerund nouns. Swimming is a great way to stay fit. She enjoys reading mystery novels in her free time. Cooking delicious meals is his passion. Running in the park every morning keeps her energized. Dancing at the party was so much fun. His hobby is painting landscapes. Congrats on finishing this lesson. Ready to master nouns? Don't stop here. Watch the full playlist to dive deeper into English grammar. Click the link in the description and level up your grammar game now. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Q.L.English Pro. And don't forget to hit the bell for even more exciting lessons coming your way. Take care, keep learning, and see you in the